Group 2, Hiraya Tools and Equipment and Food Preparation. Experience 1, Overview. What is the main focus of your topic? Why is it important in the field of FCS? The main focus in common food school hands, tools and kitchen equipment. It's important because we need to know the tools, equipment we need to cook with food we eat. Can you summarize your topic in 1 or 2 sentences highlighting its relevance and impact on family and consumer science? Family and consumer science focuses on the well-being of individuals and families, emphasizing the management of resources and the development sorry for everyday life. Key points. What are 3 crucial facts or concepts that everyone should know about your topic? The 3 crucial facts or concepts everyone should know is safety and hygiene function, maintenance. How do these key points connect and why are they critical to understand your topic fully? Consumer science is defined as the study of relationship among individuals, families, and communities focusing on meeting basic human needs and enhancing the quality of life through individual, family, and community well-being. Real world. Can you provide examples how the key ideas of your topic are applied in real-world scenarios, such as in specific careers, businesses, or current agricultural trends? 1. Safety and hygiene. In restaurants and professional kitchen, chef must follow strict sanitation protocols like washing knives and cutting boards between tasks to avoid cross-contamination, especially when handling raw meat and vegetables. 2. Functionality in catering. Caterers rely on specialized tools like industrial mixers, food processors, and chafing dishes to efficiently and cheap prepare and serve large quantities of food while maintaining quality. Maintenance and farming equipment and agricultural maintaining tools like harvesters, food processors machine, or even hand tools is crucial for efficient harvesting, minimizing food waste, and ensuring produce safety. Regular servicing reduces downtime and improves productivity. Consumer science is defined as the study of relationship among individuals, families, and communities, focusing on meeting basic human needs and enhancing the quality of life through individual, family, and community well-being. Experience 2. What are the most pressing issues and challenges currently faced in this area of FCS, and how do they impact individuals, organizations, or society? Pressing issues in FCS include food safety concerns from improper sanitation, balancing costs with access to sustainable tools, and adapting to new kitchen technologies for career growth. What problems in your FCS topic are not yet solved or fixed by what we currently have in our community? FCS include limited access to affordable, sustainable kitchen, tool gaps in food society, education, and challenges in keeping up with rapidly advancing kitchen technology. Goodbye and thank you.